Come on in. All right, welcome back, guys. So today we are on MSC Seascape out of Galveston, Texas. It's a week-long cruise. We're on it for back-to-back, but we got an inside cabin, and I'm gonna give you a quick tour of it. So we've got the bed. Nice looking headboard there. Decent sized bed. We've got on each side, we've got a lamp with a reading light. They're controlled by a couple of switches here. We also have a USB-A outlet, and then we've got a master switch for the lights above. We do have a little side stand there, a little nightstand with a couple of shelves back there. A little bit of artwork on the walls. And on this side, it's the exact same, except this does not have a USB outlet for your phone or any kind of charging.
There's always only one on one side for some reason.
But anyway, it's the same light and the reading light, same type of controls. And this is also controls the lights above.
But that's an A port, not a C port, right?
Correct, that's an A port.
Over here? Okay,
Yeah.
gotcha. All right. What is that blue thing?
That's for, so when you throw your suitcases up here, you don't get the bed all nasty.
You got your 2 towels for the pool.
To your huge mirror. I think it's a little bit too big, but anyway, we're not on our honeymoon or anything, but you do have a big mirror. And you do have a single chair here. We'll come over here to the closets. We got a shelf here on top. We got some hangers for your to hang the clothes. We got a couple of shelves, or one large shelf, and then cubbies to put your shoes or something in there. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shelves. We also have our in-room safe. And we got 1, 2 drawers. These are soft close drawers. So it's a nice little touch. And over here is our vanity area. We do have a television. It's not that big, but it is bright. It's real,
Colorful.
absolutely. So, but not a big TV. You got here your document station with all the document stuff, your room steward's name, envelopes. Here is a price list. I'll show you here in a minute of what's inside the fridge. As you can see, Angie already snagged a Coke already, first thing when we got in here. And the Coke was $3.50. I'm sure there's some tax included with that. But anyway, we'll do a quick. It does come stocked a little bit.
And usually the night before the end of the cruise, they will lock up this mini bar after they do a new inventory and restock it, so they know what to charge you.
Like I said, this is the vanity. We've got a ice bucket with tongs, a couple of glasses. We got the phone here mounted on the wall. It's kind of unusual, but
it doesn't take up your nightstand space.
yeah.
I love that.
And it doesn't take the space off the vanity too. We do have a couple of outlets. These are, I believe these are European,
maybe.
if I'm not mistaken. But anyway, we've got a travel adapter to use those with several other outlets on it.
Yeah, and that's linked in our description.
Then we got the on-off switch for the vanity. We've got a couple of 110 volt outlets along with USB-A outlets. Throughout the whole room, there is no C outlet, so that's where the travel adapter comes in handy. Or if you got your block for your C drive phones, throw them in here. But it takes up a spot.
Got a lot of nice drawers here too.
We got 1, and also the hair dryer. 2, and a larger
Oh,
one.
that's pretty deep.
3 drawers. Right here we've got a small stool. It's padded. And we got a wastebasket here. Different plastic, food, whatnot. And then we got a makeup mirror. Or I say a makeup mirror, but
Vanity.
a vanity mirror. All right, and let's go over here. We got 3 hooks to hang towels, robes, or whatnot on.
And then we bring magnet hooks for the other. And I'm not sure if it even actually will hold the magnets, but we'll see.
And over here you do have a peephole for the door. This is our muster station, which was Delta, which is in the casino. Anyway, your life vest. That'll probably be probably under the bed, if I remember right. All right, we also got a couple of switches here. One for do not disturb, so for them to not knock on your room, and another one to make up the room whenever you leave, so they can clean it up. This here is, we got a room key in here. You put it in here. Now you got the lights come on. If it pulls it out, you don't have any lights. So you got a master key. And this is also just an overhead for the lights on-off switch. You do have a digital thermostat for your heat and air conditioning control. You've got this switch for the bathroom. It's the light switch. And we'll do a quick tour of the bathroom. You've got a couple of hanging racks for your towels. You do have a magnifying mirror. And a small sink. You do have a pump for your soap.
I will tell you, the toilet is very close to the sink.
It is.
You sit on it, it's right next to
Got a couple of glasses, or a couple of shelves here, a couple of glasses. You do have an outlet for a shaving or whatever.
I don't know if those are glasses or just where you put your toothbrush and stuff. Who knows?
I don't know. You got your toilet, the toilet paper. You do have your waste basket and Kleenex. Kleenex is here, waste basket in there.
And there's some toilet paper over there. Gotcha. Shower.
And then you got the shower.
I like that it's a glass door.
But now you've got your wand up there. Typical shower. Basically, it looks like we got 2 containers of looks like probably shampoo and shower gel. I guess your SOL on conditioner.
Or maybe the conditioner's mixed with the shampoo, like
Maybe.
most cruise ships are.
Maybe.
And ladies, there's your footstool to shave your legs. Or your foot bar.
Yeah.
Do they have the, yes, they do have the string where you can pull it across, hook it into the hook there, and you can dry your clothes, your bathing suit, that kind of stuff.
Then you also have a couple of more hangers there on the door to hang towels or robes or whatnot. But anyway, small quaint room. This will be our home for a couple of weeks. Like I said, we are on a back-to-back cruise. And once again, this is the Seascape inside cabin.